We some real fire-breathing dragons. Ad-libbing man child. Okay. Back's war flamethrowers. Family first, motherfuckers. We going beast mode. Let me get him, man. Let me get him.
Straight from the hip when I'm shooting. Duke Nukem.
Please stop talking about that money you don't have. You broke ass out.
Yo, what's going on? It's the Sound of Sensi tour. We're doing a little tour diary. We're gonna do one once a week. We're eating Philly steaks in Montana. Yes, we did Casper, Wyoming. We did Billings, Montana, Helena, Montana, and Missoula, Montana.
Missoula was crazy. Rockstar shit. OT. Shout out to OT.
Yeah, shout out to Overtime for really being an amazing host and really bringing all the Montana shows together, man. He tore it down at every single Montana show.
Put together the Crooked Eye show.
Yeah, shout out to Crooked Eye. He tore it down. And yeah, follow the fucking adventure.
Follow the star. Sensi-starr everything. Next stop, Spokane.
Smoking good. Next time we talk to you, we'll have been done with Washington.
Beautiful out here.
He's deranged. He's been holding us down in sound. He talks very minimal. He's doing a great fucking job too. Look at this guy. He knows how to dress as well.
Smiles.
Smile. Hoodies available at the merch stand. Come by and holler. We got 3-foot joints on stage smoking, thanks to Deranged. Right?
Shout out to the whole team for cooking us an elk steak last night. First home cooked meal we had in a week. It was excellent. Montana's a beautiful state. We love you.
J.O. made the steaks today. He didn't want to fucking dice the chicken though, so I had to come into the kitchen and dice the chicken myself.
We were feeling a little homesick.
This motherfucker didn't want to fucking chip it up here.
He literally wants to eat powdered chicken. Literally. That's what you did. You turned nice chunks of white meat into powdered chicken.
I like my chicken chips, man.
That's not chip, bro. It's powdered. You could pour water on that and make chicken Kool-Aid.
Shout out to the Montana grass as well.
Montana nice. That's what I like. The
boys.
That Mountain Dew.
It's that Mountain Dew. Smoking on that mountain. We've been smoking on that Mountain Dew all week.
Yeah.
I'm trying to bring the price system that's in Montana back east. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to all the people that sell meat pot back home. Motherfucker, I want 5-6 grams for a dub when I get back.
It's real like that.
I didn't buy any grams, so I'm just kidding. It never happened.
It's not a Sensi-starr tour or anything.